Let's go in Southeast Texas. This is Dustin with Volkswagen of Beaumont. I'm the finance manager here. I'm just going to give you a quick tour of our dealership. When you first walk through the doors of our dealership, you'll be greeted by our wonderful sales staff that can help you with all your Volkswagen buying needs, whether that is with a sedan, hatchback, or SUV. Once you found your perfect Volkswagen, you're going to come back and see me, and that's when we will customize perfect protection program to make sure that we minimize all of your ownership expenses so you can enjoy your new Volkswagen. Once you found your perfect Volkswagen, our service department will be here to help you with all your servicing needs from Monday through Friday, 7 to 6 and 8 to 4 on Saturday. When it's time for that servicing, we'll just pull straight into our service drive. Once you bring your vehicle into the service drive, you'll be greeted by our outstanding service consultants. Don't forget, with that new Volkswagen purchase, you get 2 complimentary oil changes. Once you've checked in with our service advisors, you have the opportunity to hang out in our customer lounge with complimentary Wi-Fi and refreshments, or take in a great movie. Once you've dropped your vehicle off with our service consultants and enjoying our great lounge, the vehicle is brought back here with our certified Volkswagen techs to make sure all of your service needs are completed in a timely manner. For the final stop of our tour, we've got our parts counter where you can get all of your accessories and parts for your Volkswagen. Thanks for hanging out with me today and going on the tour of Volkswagen of Beaumont. We hope to see you soon.